In a serene village nestled between gentle hills and vibrant meadows, an elderly carpenter dedicated his life to crafting simple wooden benches. His workshop, a humble structure made of seasoned timber, stood at the village's edge, where the main road intersected with the quiet paths leading into the countryside. Each morning, as the first light of dawn painted the sky with hues of pink and gold, the carpenter began his day with meticulous care. His hands, though aged and marked by years of labor, moved with unwavering precision, shaping each piece of wood into a sturdy and inviting bench. The carpenter's creations were modest in appearance, devoid of elaborate carvings or ornate designs. Yet, there was an undeniable warmth and comfort imbued in every bench he made. Once completed, he would gather his handmade seats and distribute them along the village road. Strategically placed near the pathways and crossroads, these benches became silent witnesses to the daily life of the village. Travelers passing through could rest their weary legs, the elderly found a place to sit and reflect, and children discovered spots to unwind after their playful adventures. There was no expectation of reward or recognition for the carpenter's generosity. He found fulfillment in the simple act of giving, seeing each bench as a gift of time and comfort to those who needed it. His routine became a cherished part of the village's rhythm, fostering a sense of community and mutual support. The presence of his benches transformed the road into a place of gathering and respite, where moments of stillness and connection flourished. Seasons changed, bringing new colors and challenges to the village. Winter's chill was softened by the warmth of the benches, while spring's blossoms provided a picturesque backdrop for those who sat upon them. Summer afternoons were filled with laughter and stories shared under the shade of the ever-present seats. Each bench stood as a testament to the carpenter's unwavering dedication and the intangible wealth he bestowed upon the village. As years passed, the villagers came to understand the true value of the carpenter's gift. It was not measured in wood or craftsmanship, nor in the absence of profit, but in the moments of kindness and the enrichment of the soul that his actions inspired. The simple act of providing a place to sit became a profound expression of generosity and love for the community. In giving his time and effort without expectation, the carpenter cultivated a legacy of compassion and unity that endured through generations. The quiet strength of the carpenter's routine whispered a timeless truth. True wealth lies not in the accumulation of material possessions, but in the selfless acts that bring joy and comfort to others. His benches became symbols of this enduring wisdom, reminders that the essence of life's richness is found in the connections we foster and the kindness we extend. The village thrived, bound together by the silent generosity of one man who understood that the greatest gifts are those that touch the heart and elevate the spirit. In the heart of the village, where the road met the paths and the benches awaited those in need, the carpenter's legacy lived on. It was a legacy built not on accolades or wealth, but on the timeless gift of giving, an enduring embodiment of the true measure of prosperity and the simple, profound joy that comes from enriching the lives of others.